Hello, hello. You're welcome to this training. You're welcome to this training. If you're in this training, I want you to go ahead and write that I am here. I want you to put it down there that I am here. I am here. So this training will be into two parts. Okay, it will be into two parts. Number one, I'm going to be teaching you things you need to do before you run an advert. And number two, I'm going to be going to the dashboard. I'm going to open my dashboard and I will show you things you need to do, how you can set up an ad. Okay, now if you are here, I want you to do something now. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because subscribing to my YouTube channel will give you the chance to get access to some of the videos I'll be posting after this. Okay, now 5 things you need to do before running an advert. I want to show you the 5 things you need to do before running an advert. Okay, I can see a lot of people writing I am here, I am here. I can see you. Okay, now 5 things you need to do before running an advert. Okay, if you want to run an advert, there are things you need to do. Okay, now let me show you those things. But before then, I will need to tell you this. What you do outside your ad dashboard is what determines your success. A lot of people think that the way they set up their ad is what really determines their success. But the truth is that what you do outside your ad dashboard is what determines your success. Ad dashboard is the same over the years, but what you do outside it is what determines your success. I'm going to be explaining more of that to you after you've been able to get the 5 things you need to do before running an advert. Now, the first thing you want to do before you run an advert is what we call deep research. What do I mean by deep research? Okay, if you want to run an ad, you have to first of all check similar advert that is currently running. Okay, you have to check similar advert that is running. You have to check, different kind of advert that is related to the one you want to run. Let's assume you want to run an ad for an affiliate marketing product. The first thing you need to check is you need to check somebody else that is running that ad. That is what we call deep research on ad. So when you run deep research, when you do deep research before running your ad, it will give you an insight and it will help your marketing. And how can you do deep research? You can do deep research through what we call ad library. Just go to facebook.com/ad/library, ad library. Okay, you can search it on Chrome. Okay, now let's assume I want to run an ad for affiliate marketing products. All I need to do is just to say, okay, let me just choose all ad. I'll come here, come to this Nigeria, choose Nigeria, since it is Nigerian you're targeting, and you choose all ad. Okay, you choose all ad, then you come here. This is one of the best way to make research, especially if you want to run Facebook ad. Okay, if I say affiliate marketing, I'm going to see different kind of people running ad related to affiliate marketing. As a beginner, making research is very important. Look at this. Look at this. These are the different people running research on affiliate, running ad on affiliate marketing. Look at them. Okay. Now, looking at these people now, looking at what these people do now, it will give me an insight. It will help my marketing. Okay. Now, this is the best thing to do if you're an affiliate marketer. Okay. If you're an affiliate marketer or anybody that you want to run ad, this is the best thing to do. Look for an ad that has run for a long time. Look for an ad that has run for a very long time. Any ad that has run for a long time, at least an ad that has been running for over a month and it is still active, that means that ad is converting. You can't be foolish enough for your ad to be running in fact 24 hours, 36 hours. If your ad is not converting, I'm very sure you are going to switch it off. So any ad that is running for a month, 3 weeks, is converting. So look for that ad that is converting as somebody that is making research, and you can model it. I didn't say copy, I say model. Okay, now let's do that. Now let's go to this filter. You can see this filter. Just go there and then scroll down here. You can choose date, active status. I will say active ad. I'm going to choose active ad. I want to filter it from May 2023. I'll come here. I want to pick ad that has been running from let's say April 1. Let's say April 1, okay? I'll scroll down to May 23. Okay, this is April 1 to 26th of May. So any ad that let me apply filter, see it will load. See, look at it. On or after April 1. Look at it. It's going to show me those ads that has been running. Look at this person. This person ad has been running for long. Look at it here. Look at this ad. Look at it. This ad started running 2nd of May. So that is how you can make research. Okay, that is how you can make research. You can make research. Now, another thing you are going to do in the 5 things you need to do before you run your ad. Number 1 is you have to do deep research, which I've shown you how to do now. The second thing you need to do is you need to structure your copy to be persuasive and fit into Facebook policy. What do I mean by this? Number 1, your copy has to be persuasive, because if your copy is not persuasive, then people will not be moved to click the link or take action. So it has to be persuasive. Now, it's not about persuasion alone. Your copy has to fit into Facebook policy. Okay, so I will advise you to go and read some of Facebook policy, because there are some words you must not use on your copy. That is why some of you run ad and you discover that Facebook did not accept your ad. Facebook reject your ad. Okay, so you need to structure your copy to be persuasive, and it has to fit into Facebook policy, because the copy is a very important part of the ad. Okay, a bad copy doesn't do a great job. So in my own opinion, I tell beginner, I said make sure you test at least 3 copies. Okay, you can write copy 1, you can change it to another headline, and you can write the 3rd copy to be a storytelling. You can make a storytelling. According to research, storytelling copy do sell a lot. Okay, and then this is another thing you can do. If you're a beginner, you can just move over to this place, search for an affiliate marketing ad. If you're an affiliate marketing your business, look for somebody that writes something. Look at this person write something. Look at this person write something. You can, I'm not saying you should copy it. Just go and model it. Okay, you can model it. You can model it. Look at what they wrote there. Model everything there, right? Through reading other people's copy, you can get an idea. You get what I'm saying now? You can get an idea. You can get inspiration. So look at every other people's copy and model it. Look at their copy and you model it. So that's just it. It's not that difficult to do. Okay. Now, the next thing you need to do for you to be able to run a converting ad, we've mentioned 2. Now, this is the 3rd thing, a good creative. A good creative. Now, I said something in the beginning of this teaching. I said what you do outside your ad dashboard is what determines your success. Now, let me tell you something. A good creative is one of the things that determine the success of an ad. Okay, now let me tell you what you don't know about Facebook today. This is the recent update on Facebook. Now, a lot of people try to do some targeting on Facebook. Yes, it works, but then it does not work like that. Okay, now creative does a good job in helping algorithms select the right audience for you. See, when you have the right creative, Facebook will help you select the right audience. Facebook will help you to select the right audience. You won't have to start targeting this and that again. No. And that is why you need a very good creative. If your ad is not converting, the first thing you should change is your creative. If you're not getting good lead, if you're getting bad people, the next thing you need, one of those things you need to change is your creative. Okay. Another thing creative does is that creative helps you get attention and low cost per lead. If your creative is attention grabbing, okay, if your creative is attention grabbing, it will lead to low cost per lead. And that is why you need a very good creative. You need a very good creative, a very sharp creative, because one of those things people see in your ad is your creative. They first of all see your creative before they now read your copy. It is not easy for you to get people attention these days. People attention is not easy to get. So the first thing people see is your creative. Okay? And now, what's the next thing you need to do for you to be able to run a profitable advert is your sales funnel. Before you run an ad, ensure you plan and you create your sales funnel. I don't need to tell you all about sales funnel because I believe everybody watching this is either an affiliate marketer or they have been running ad before. I don't need to tell you much about sales funnel. But before you run an ad, make sure your sales funnel is set up. How do you want to plan your sales funnel? Do you want people to come from your ad to your DM? Or you want them to come from ad to email or from ad to group? You need to plan your sales funnel. And if you need to add sequence, that is automation, you need to do all these things. Okay? And you need to make sure you work on this perfectly. You see these things that I'm mentioning, they are very important things you need to do before you run any advert. Okay? And now the next thing you need to do before you start planning to run advert is get your ad account ready. Now, I tell people, I said, yes, you can Facebook do ban. Okay? You can try to run away from Facebook banning by trying to stick to their rules and regulation. That is, stick to those words, stick to those policy. But then, in other sense, you need to have an alternative. I preach a lot about alternative. Okay, so for you to have an alternative, always get your ad account ready. Always get your what? Your ad account ready. So these are the 5 things you need to do before you run an advert. I hope you take note of it. Now, the next thing I want to be doing now is that I'm going to be taking you to the Facebook dashboard and I'm going to be educating you on things you need to do also, okay, that will guarantee you low cost per lead. I've told you the 5 things you need to do. All these 5 things I'm telling you, they will guarantee you low cost per lead. When you make your research very well, you have low cost per lead. You make your research very well, you run an ad that is converting, you structure your copy, you have a good creative, your sales funnel is good, you have an ad account ready, then you are guaranteed to get success. Now, I want to take you to the ad dashboard. I want to show you 1 or 2 things you need to know there, especially if you're a beginner that you're watching this. Okay, thank you. Now, let's go to the ad dashboard. This is the ad dashboard. This is a new ad dashboard. I decided to use a very new ad dashboard for you if you're a beginner, just for you to see how it looks like. Okay, so let's assume I want to create an ad. Let me create an ad here. Let me create an ad. Okay, let me create an ad, and then let's say I want to generate lead. Let me click on the lead section, and now let me come here. I'm going to be explaining every part to you. Okay, I'm going to be explaining every part to you. Now, let me just give the campaign a name. Let me give the campaign a name. That's let me give the campaign a name. Let's say testing. Let's say testing. Okay, so when we give the campaign a name, the next thing we want to do is this. Now you come to these special ad categories, ignore it. Okay, you have nothing to do with this. Ignore it. Now I'm going to show you another thing here. Now there's what we call A and B testing. A and B testing, you have nothing to do with this. There's what we call A and B testing. Okay, this is when you decided to test, you want to test different version of your ad with different images, with different tests, with different audiences or placement. Okay, now A and B testing takes time a lot. So it is not really something that you want to get started with as a beginner. Okay, it's not something you want to get started with as a beginner or somebody that has been running ad. It will take you through a lot of time, but I don't recommend it. Okay, I recommend that you go straight forward. Now, there's what we call advantage campaign budget, ACB. Before, it used to be campaign budget optimization, CBO. Now it is advantage campaign budget. Now let me tell you what this means. This means that when you see, what it does is that these functions, it helps you to spend more money on the ad that is converting. That is, let's assume you have 3 different ad sets now, okay? And asset A, B, C. A, B, C. B is not converting very well. C is also not converting, but A is converting. What advantage campaign budget does is that it spends more money on the ad that is converting. That's what we call it advantage campaign budget. So if you are a beginner and then you are not sure about the kind of ad you want to run, I will say you should turn this on. Okay, you should turn this on, and then what you will do is that you will just get different ad sets. You will duplicate your ad set. You will duplicate your ad set. So I'll say you should turn it on. You will turn it on because it will help you. Now let's go to the next thing, which is let's go to the next thing, which is the ad set name. Let's say ad set 1. Okay, so come down here. Now this is, I will choose website. That's if you are using a website, choose website. If you are using a form, choose form. Okay, if you are using a form, choose form. I believe whoever is watching this video, you've gotten my tutorial on how to run ad with using instant form. So for this, I'm using a website. Okay, I'm using a website. So I just want to show you some things that works here. So it doesn't really require much stress like that. Okay, don't need to stress yourself much. Okay, so you come down here. These are things you need to set. Now remember, if you're setting, you need to create your pixel. That is, if you're choosing, what's the name? If you're choosing website, you need to create your pixel. Okay, you need to create your pixel. For this start date, just leave it. You don't need to start it, and you don't need to choose end date for your ad. It's not a good thing to do. It's not a good thing to do. Okay, it's not a good thing to do. So this is okay. I'm trying to load it. Trying to bring it down. Okay, now audience. This is where people have a lot of issue because they want to target people. For me, this is what I do. I advise people, if you're a beginner, if you just start running ad, you don't need to start. A lot of people make mistake. They make mistake a lot here. They make a lot of mistake here. And one thing they do is they try to target people. You are a beginner, you just start running ad. You don't know anything about targeting. See, let me tell you something. Targeting is a topic on its own. Okay, but I'm going to break it down for you today. Targeting is a topic on its own, but I'm going to break it down for you today. So let's say the location is Nigeria. Please make sure you choose people living in this location. People living in this location. Now, this is the right way to target. Simple way to target. I want to show you simplest way to target. After you must have do these 5 things. If you have done these 5 things, these are the simplest way to target. Number 1, target people according to their age. For me, if I am promoting a make money online product, I target from 24. Let's say, okay, let me choose 23 and from 23 to 45. That's if I'm promoting a make money online product, because I believe at this age, these are people that I really want to make money. All gender, okay, so I believe for affiliate marketing is mostly everybody. So that's for the age, the gender. Now, people want to target. There's what we call interest-based targeting and detailed targeting. I will advise you as a beginner that you should just put it aside. Just ignore it. Okay. Now, another thing you might want to do is this. You can exclude people. Targeting is a complete topic on its own. In fact, most of the time, if you're running ad for something related to affiliate marketing and co, you don't need targeting. Okay, the 5 things to do before running an ad is just enough for you. Okay, but you can exclude people. And what are those you can exclude? Let's assume you're selling affiliate marketing product. Of course, you will not want your fellow affiliate marketer to see you. So you exclude affiliate marketing, you exclude anything in terms of interest, in terms of behavioral objective, and everything related to affiliate marketing, you exclude it. Okay, I'm going to tell you another thing to exclude, don't worry. You exclude everything. The reason is because people having um this kind of title, this kind of interest, they are mostly affiliate marketer. And of course, you that you are selling an affiliate marketing course, you are not promoting it to your fellow affiliates. Abi, are you doing that? No, you are not. So let's exclude more people. Let's exclude let's say affiliates. There are some other people you are still going to exclude, but don't worry, I'm going to show you everything. Let's exclude affiliate network. Let's exclude. You can see that by the time I launch this kind of ad, it is not how I won't get good result, because I have excluded people that might want to be in my industry. I've excluded them in my targeting. I didn't even bother to target anybody. I just exclude. I do the work of excluding, and then okay. Now, what else can you exclude? Exclude people that are still using 2G. People that are still accessing Facebook network with 2G network. They are broke people. So the first thing you want to do is to exclude them. Other set of people you want to exclude are people that are using features phone. Phone. Let me say phone. Feature phone. Feature phone. Look at it. Feature phone. Can you see this is an example of an affiliate marketing ad I'm showing you. Can you see those people I exclude? So exclude people that are in your industry and exclude people that are accessing Facebook through 2G network and this thing. Now, the next thing you want to do after you've sort out your targeting, okay? After you've sort out your targeting, the next thing you want to do is, okay, let's come down here. The next thing you want to do is your placement. Facebook will tell you that you should put it on advantage plus placement. That is the recommended one on Facebook, but it's not recommended because it will end up eating all your money. You will waste your money. The best placement so far is manual placement. Okay, manual placement, and you come down here, you okay, you come down here, you come to the platform where you want to review your ad. Placement, okay, so many people don't understand the meaning of placement. Okay, placement is where your ad appear. Okay, placement is where your ad appear. So that's the meaning of placement actually. Okay, placement is where your ad appear. So let me just remove Instagram because this account is not connected to Instagram. So let me show you some placement here. So these are the best place you can place your ad. These are the best place I recommend. Facebook feed, very important. Facebook marketplace is not a very good place. Facebook video feed, especially if you have a video creative, is a very good place to place your ad. Stories and reels, people rarely convert in that place. People rarely look for ad in that place, so it's not a good place. Instagram ads, in-stream ads for video and reels, I don't suggest this. Search results, in case your ad is being searched, like someone searching your ad and then your ad popping up, I don't recommend it. Now, the best place to always put your ad is this place. Apart from Facebook feed, this is the best place. You see, most people do tell me, they said, hey, Bamidele, I saw your ad on a app, on Truecaller app. I saw your ad on so and so app. This is the placement. With this, when you click this, your ad will appear on different apps and sites. Okay, so if you are using video, just stick to audience network rewarded video and audience network in-stream videos. Okay, your ad will appear everywhere on several apps. Okay, that's just it. Okay, so I believe you are getting what I am doing now. So the next thing now here is the rest is just minor. The rest is minor. There's nothing to do here again. If you're a beginner or if you have been running ad, I've exposed every secret you need to know to you. There's nothing else to do here again. You see this multi-advertiser ad, just disable it. So the next thing you want to put here is your beautiful uh, and persuasive copy. Okay, you put your copy here. Put your copy here. I don't know if I have any copy I can put here. Sorry, let me just pick someone copy here. Don't copy somebody else copy. Oh, don't copy. Oh, just model. So I'm using this as an example. This is my student now. She's my student. So this, you just copy it. Copy. Copy. Now when you copy your this thing, you put it here like this. Okay, and then you come down here. Although normally if you are running for this, yes, headline. Okay, I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you everything. Add your video. Add your video. You can just upload any fine video. I believe you must have shot video. This is, I don't have any video here. Don't have any particular video here. Okay, but let me use image. I should have a lot of image here. I don't have video here on this my particular laptop. Let me put image. Please, the best creative to use is always video, please. The best creative to use is always video. So let me put video. Let's assume this is video. There's no video on my laptop, on this particular laptop. So I'm teaching you people this thing with a new laptop, so no video. So this is it. So look at, you can see how it appear. So just turn it on, optimization. Done. Click on done. Click on done. Normally we are supposed to use video. Assuming we use video, it will appear. It will appear on this preview. But because we didn't use video, so you can just ignore it. Okay. All optimization on. Okay. So this is it. You can see the copy. Look at the copy. Now, this is what I advise people to do. Let's say this is my website. Now, if you run ad and you put your primary text like this, make sure at the end of your ad, you always place your website or your WhatsApp link. If you are using what's the name? If you are using form, place your WhatsApp link at the end of the copy. Okay, but if you are using websites, place it here, and then you come down and then you use a very catchy headline. It's going to be a short headline. You see, the two things people see most of the time is this place, and your headline. Okay, I can just write something like over the only, use a very catchy headline. Training you 500k monthly. You can see this headline is very catchy. The only training that makes you 500k monthly. Okay, and then you place your this thing here. Don't forget that we have something called call to action. Okay, most of the time people use their call to action as learn more. It's not bad. It's not bad. Since you're running what's the name, you're running a lead generation ad, so it's not bad to use learn more. And if you're running lead generation ad, if your landing page is not that detailed, I would say you should use sign up. Okay, I would say you should use sign up. So after putting it there, basically everything is done. Look at it. The only training that makes you 100k monthly. Look at how everything is sharp. Look at the preview. You can see the preview. Everything is sharp. The next thing you want to do now is to publish your ad, and that's it. That is how to run a profitable ad. Okay, I told you how you can target. Okay, yeah, I can see you all. I told you how you can target and everything. It is that straightforward and very simple. Now, I want you to do something for me. If you have any question or anything, drop it on the comment section. That's number one. Number two, I want you to go to Twitter. After you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, go to Twitter, tag me and tell me all what you have learned. Okay, tell me all what you have learned. And then if you're a beginner, and you want to learn how to run ad, you want to learn how to run ad from beginning, okay, I will advise you that you look for any affiliate marketer, okay, and get the A mentorship course from them. Get the A mentorship course from them, okay. Get the A mentorship course from any affiliate marketer you can see. Just get the AIM program from there, because in the AIM program I explain everything about how you can run ad. Okay, so go to Twitter, tag me, tell me all what you have learned, okay, and then make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'll be dropping more and more educative content like this that will help you. Thank you.